Guys and girls, this is Anthony with R-Rated Customs, and I have on the meeting with me the wonderful, I can't remember.
Sebastian Todd Breakwhite.
Sebastian Todd Breakwhite. You might have remembered him from the Sportster unveiling video that we did together. We are going to be going through the 120th anniversary video from Harley Davidson on their new bikes. So, first topic is, where the heck was Aquaman?
They spent a lot of money last year.
Yeah.
On Mr. Momoa. And where'd he go? Where?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Their investment seemed to just disappear.
Right. You got a point there, Sebastian. I think maybe Aquaman's agent wrote the whole contract in not indelible ink, but the opposite being delible ink. And, you know, delible ink will run underwater. So papers got wet, contract got ruined, and so we didn't have Aquaman this year. So moving on, the second topic is they had a section on fashion. And that, speaking of fashion, you know, what the heck is with this windbreaker? Is it level 3 impact? What's going on there? What do you think, Sebastian?
Oh, I don't know, but those gnats, they better watch out. My 10-speed.
Yeah.
Make you hurt.
Make you hurt. That retro 10-speed. Yeah.
Actually, I ride a fixie.
Oh, you do?
Remember, I'm an aging hipster.
Right. Hipsters do it fixed. Right. Sebastian, what's our third topic?
120th Heirloom Red.
Yeah.
Great
Heirloom Red.
Color for tomatoes?
That's what I was thinking. Heirloom tomatoes. Somebody must have been out in their garden. They're like, you know, we need to come up with a name for this color. I know. Heirloom. Because that sounds masculine.
Sounds old.
Yeah.
Sounds like it was from the 120s.
Right. Well, let's pull up what we're talking about. I'm going to pull up this picture. Right here is a photo of the CBR Roadglide Ultra Limited. Is that right? Is that what that is?
I'm not sure you have the right photos, sir.
Oh, no, that's the 2019 Indian Chief Roadmaster Elite. Wow. Okay. Well, all right. Here's the CVI Roadglide Ultra Limited, or however they want to call it. Yeah. Yeah. Big difference in color, I think. Well, at least bearing.
The Eagle.
Oh, yeah. The Eagle.
Harley Davidson.
Speaking of best parts, look at this guy. He was so excited he could fit his perfectly shaped cowboy hat in a tour pack. Oh, you can only get that on a CVO, people. You cannot get that. Oh wait, yeah, you can. You get that on every other bike. And I hate to say it, but this is what my hat looks like after I ride around with it for a while. So,
well, yours look like it's been worked in. His did not.
Yeah, it has been worked in. I've had this hat for 20-something years. So let's move on to our fourth topic. Moving on to motorcycles. Sebastian, you are a big Sportster fan. What do you think about the new Sportsters?
I am a big Sportster fan, specifically the Evo Sportster, as I have a 2009 Harley Davidson XL 1200N Nightster, affectionately named Michelle. Michelle has about 95,000 miles on it now. The new line of Sportsters.
Let me pull up the pictures here. Here's the pic.
They just aren't really built for guys my size.
Yeah, you see right here, you know, it has this pretty blue. You got the blue eagle wing. Is that?
I think maybe wrong? Again.
Oh shoot! All right. Oh, here it is.
That's Stetson a little too tight.
Oh yeah, it is. It's a Resistol, not a Stetson brand. It's Resistol. All right. Well, let me fix the full-on hipster. All right. Well, then this is it with the solo seat, the red, the black frame, how it says Bobber on the side. That's pretty cool. You know, the spoke wheels. That's awesome. That's
That
it, right?
hat definitely goes with this particular bike,
Uh-huh.
but this bike doesn't go with the Sportster line.
Oh, shoot. All right. Well, here's the real one. Oh, yeah. You can tell a big difference between the first two pictures and this one. Oh, yeah. There you go. Here's your Sportster, Sebastian. What do you think about that?
I don't hate the look.
Okay.
I just kind of wish they had spent a little bit more time opening up the engine and making it look a little prettier.
Yeah, it looks like it has plastic on the sides. I
It
don't know if it's the
does.
finish or what, but yeah,
Plasti matte finish.
plastic mat. Looks like something I get off a GI Joe toy, I think. Let's go on to our final topic. Uh, the fact that they said, keep in mind, there are more CBOs coming this year. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
What?
like there's always
Huh?
that person in your group who isn't even aware of what the project is.
I think it's the drip feed equivalent from the gamer community. You know what that is?
Oh, slightly familiar.
Yeah, it's when the game developers release a new update to the game, but only releases little bits at a time, little bits.
Like
Basically, it
milking
just
a
strings the
cow.
consumer along. I think you got a picture representing that. Yeah. Yep, that's drip feed right there.
Yep.
All right. So before we sign off on this adventure, as we approach the 7 minute mark, go ahead, Sebastian. Tell us about yourself.
Well, as you can see, I am an aging hipster. I cannot say enough about how Harley is